Today we talk about how can you enable one-tap trading on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here. You click here on more down here, and you just click here on more. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, you just click here on trading account here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, so you just go down here, you come here to one tap trading here, just click in this sign. So then like you see here, this color show for us, that's mean here one tap trading, it's enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.